Yeah, let's take another class. Radar pulse technique from True North Aviation. Basically, primary and secondary radar uses pulse technique. What is pulse technique? In pulse technique, radio energy transmitted in predetermined shape. Let's take this shape like this. This pulse is generated. Again, after a time interval, this pulse is generated, and again same time this pulse will generate. This is the time graph. Okay. This time duration from here to here is called pulse width or pulse length. Pulse width or pulse length. And from this point, from where the pulse start generated, this point to this point, this time interval is called PRI. PRI means pulse reoccurrence interval. It means pulse will reoccur at same time. This is also called PRI. This is PRI or PRP. Both are same thing. PRI or PRP. PRP means pulse reoccurrence period. So let's take the example, how many pulses are generated in 1 second. Number of pulses generated in 1 second. What is that? This is called PRF. Pulse reoccurrence frequency. And PRF will equal to, this is the time interval, this is the time interval. Let's take the time interval. We have taken this 1 second. Number of pulses in 1 second. 1 second divided by PRI. Then you can calculate PRF. If you divide 1 second by PRI, you can calculate PRF. Let's take example. Suppose PRI is 4000 microsecond. These pulses are generated in a very short time, microsecond time. And what is this microsecond? We should know microsecond. 1 second is equal to 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to the power 6 microsecond. Or 1 microsecond is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 second. This you have to remember. Now take the example. PRI is 4000 microsecond. What will be the PRF? So PRF will be equal to 1 upon 4000 microsecond. Because here the time is given in microsecond. So you have to convert this 1 second into microsecond so that you can calculate. 1 second will be equal to this microsecond divided by 4000 microsecond. Then this 30 cut by this, and for 250. What is 250? Because microsecond also cuts by micro. What is 250? 250 is pulses per second. Means 250 pulses will generate in 1 second. Pulses per second. So our PRF will equal to 250 pulses per second. Okay. What is the range of the radar? Okay. Let's take example. Suppose this is your radar antenna and the pulse is transmitted here and it will hit back from the object and received by the radar antenna. How much is the distance covered by pulse? Pulse started here, and this distance is covered by the pulse. This is the transmitting distance, D, and this is the receiver distance, also D. So D, distance is covered twice. Only thing this you have to remember. Now we have to the simple formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is also written as C, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. Time is equal to PRI, pulse reoccurrence interval or pulse recurrence period. Okay. Now distance. So C will equal to distance. You have to take two times. Otherwise, all things are same. PRI. Whatever you have to calculate, you can only have to remember this equation. Okay. Let's take example. Suppose distance given is 187 kilometer. D is given 187. What is PRF? What is PRF? Okay. What is PRF? PRF is equal to 1 upon PRI. How you will calculate PRI? From here you can calculate PRI. Okay. Let's take C is equal to 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. D is given 2 into 187 kilometer, and PRI you have to calculate PRI. So PRI will equal to 2 into 187 divided by 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second kilometer. For calculation, one thing you have to remember here, all the units should be same. Here the speed is given in meter per second, but distance is given is 187 kilometer. So what you have to do? You have to either convert this meter into kilometer, which is difficult, or you have to convert 187 kilometer into meter. This is easy. So this is 2 into 187 in 1 kilometer. How many meter? 1000. This is 1000. And divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8. 8 means 8 zeros. Two, 4, 6, 8. Okay. 3 0 cut by this. This you can calculate by your calculator. And this will come out 1246 microsecond. Okay. And you have to find PRF. So how you calculate PRF? PRF will equal to 1 upon PRI, and PRI you already find. So PRF 1 upon 1246. Again remember, convert this one into microsecond, because since this is given in microsecond. Okay. So 10 lakh microsecond divided by 1246 microsecond. The PRI will come out 802 pulse per second. Okay. Yeah, I am taking other way of earlier example. Suppose PRF has given 250 pulse per second. What is PRI? Same method you have to find. PRF will equal to 1 upon PRI. PRF is 250 and this is equal to 1 upon PRI. You have to find PRI. One thing you always remember, in weather radar calculation, basically pulse technique questions, you have to convert second into microsecond, 1 second into microsecond. Remember, this is 1 second, this is 1 second. Here PRI is equal to 1 upon 250, which is difficult to calculate. So remember, you convert this 1 second into microsecond. Okay, so how many microseconds are in 1 second? This is equal to, I have already earlier told you, 10 raised to the power 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you have to cut this 25, 1, 4. This will equal to 4000. We have, this is PRI. Now, again, this is microsecond and this is PPS, no unit. So answer will come in microsecond. So 4000 microsecond. Remember, they will confuse in exam. 4000 second, 400 microsecond. You have also know about the units. You have converted this 1 second into microsecond. So 10 lakh microsecond, and this you have to calculate like this. Okay.